Imagine turning your backyard into a luxurious oasis for your family, without breaking the bank. Meet Crestwood Pools, the perfect blend of beauty and affordability. Our unique above-ground wood wall pools offer the same features of in-ground pools, but at a fraction of the cost.
Crestwood's price was basically half the price of the in-ground pool, so I was able to get a deck and a pool for the same price as the in-ground option.
Crestwood pools are crafted using the highest quality wood, creating an aesthetically pleasing pool with unmatched strength and longevity.
I fell in love with the Crestwood pool look right away. It's been great to just lounge on the deck and pretend you're at a resort.
Our easy installation means you can start enjoying your pool sooner and without major excavation in your backyard. Plunge into luxury and value today with Crestwood Pools.